displacement reaction, which is very important reaction, and every year it is going to be asked in the board examination. Double displacement reaction. Actually, this is the reaction between the two compounds, and in this reaction, two compounds exchange their ions. As for example, AB is a compound, so A part is the positive ion and B part is the negative ion. CD is another compound, C part is the positive ion and D part is the negative ion. So in this case, we can see here AB and CD exchange their ions and form another compound. This type of reaction is known as double displacement reaction. It is very simple, but the problem is that in this reaction always and always, except neutralization reaction, precipitate is always formed. So students face problems which compound is formed precipitate or which compound is formed in the form of solid state. So for this, I am going to give you a trick. As for example, barium chloride when react with sodium sulfate. The first problem is that we have to write the physical state of reactant and product. So in this type of reaction, always and always the reactants are in its aqueous form. Both the reactants are in its aqueous form. Towards the product side, one form precipitate or one is in the form of solid state and another product is in its aqueous solution. Again, students get problem that which form solid state. So the trick is that the compound of barium, silver and aluminium always and always form white precipitate, always according to your syllabus. The compound or the product which is formed by barium, silver and aluminium, they form what precipitate? Lead. Any compound of lead, if it is given in your exam, in question, it always and always form yellow precipitate, and compound of copper form black precipitate. This is the trick. So you can easily solve it. So first of all, when barium chloride react with sodium sulfate, the both are in the form of their solution. So here we have to write the aqueous and we have to exchange their ions. So barium combined with sulfate to form barium sulfate and sodium combined with chlorine to form sodium chloride, and we have to balance it. Now, which form the precipitate? The compound of barium form precipitate and it form the white precipitate. So we have to write here S, okay, and the another one is the aqueous. So by these tricks you can solve. Let's balance it. Barium is balanced. Chlorine, here chlorine is 2 and here chlorine is 1. So we have to balance it. Now this equation is balanced. Now you can solve these two problems as well. Just I am going to solve another problem. When lead nitrate react with potassium iodide. So what is the physical state of these two? It is always and always aqueous. It is always and always aqueous. Now lead combined with iodine to form lead iodide and potassium combined with nitrate to form potassium nitrate. Once again we have to balance it. Lead is 1, it is already balanced. Iodine is balanced. Potassium is balanced, but nitrate is not balanced. So we have to put here 2 Okay, and here we have to put here 2. Oh, sorry, the valency of lead is 2. So the equation, the formula of the lead night iodide is PbI2. It is now it is balanced. So the which one form the precipitate? The compound of lead form the precipitate. So we have to write here as. And what is the color of precipitate? Color is very important for your board examination. So the color of precipitate is yellow colored precipitate, and another one is aqueous. So by knowing these things we can solve more and more equations. So if you want this type of videos again, leave your comments in this YouTube channel. Thank you.